So guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to the channel. You guys, let me tell you something. I know I said I was never ever going to go to the market to vlog, but never say never, right? And YouTube tells me that you guys are looking for okra soup recipe. I don't know why, because you guys, I have that on this channel. So I'm like, okay, let's film another okra soup recipe, but let's make it fun. Let's make it fun. So today we are going to attempt to make okra soup with 1,500 naira. I wanted to do 1,000, but that's like a stretch. Like, you people know how me I like cooking my food, so I'm like 1,000 naira is that's a really big stretch. So let's just do 1,500 naira. We're going to attempt it. I don't know if you're going to succeed or not, but you guys are going to go to the market with me, which is like the local market close to my house, and we're going to buy everything that we need together, and then we're going to come back, cook the food, calculate how much, and also learn how to cook okra soup in the process, because you people want to learn how to make okra soup. So in case you're not subscribed to the channel, please click on the subscribe button. Let me introduce myself first of all. If this is your first time watching me, if this is your first time seeing me, hearing this beautiful, handsome voice, my name is Daniel. I'm a digital content creator and YouTuber based in Port Harcourt, Nigeria. I share recipe videos like the one that you're about to watch. I also do vlogs like the one that you're also about to watch in this same video. So like, this is everything about me. I make vlogs, I make cooking videos and everything. So you can click on the subscribe button and be sure to get new videos every week, like at least 2 videos every week, and they're all premium contents. And I know you're a premium person, so click on the subscribe button. And if you like the video, please just click on the like button and also leave a comment. So let's just go to the market so I don't keep you guys waiting.
You know I'm not buying 350, Abby. So how much last I beg? This I want one of that one, then I also want this one, Sha, but give me this one first. Yeah. Alright. Then how much are these ones? Huh? One what? Why is it 1.5? Eh? Which one? This one 1.5. How much last? I know, but like still, how much last? No, I'll give you 1,000. Wait, not even carry that one. Say, give me first. Hold on. I'll give you 1,000. I'll give you 1,000. Thank you. Which one do you want? Yeah, just give us that one first. Sure. We're buying 3. No, get 3, 250. Now, wow. This is so fucking. I'm buying pepper 50 naira, then it's some 100 naira. So give me periwinkle 100 naira. You don't have periwinkle 100 naira. How much for it?
Yeah, 250. Which one is only 250?
Exactly, which one is 250? Let me see what the hell?
What again?
This is crazy. We'll buy it now. We'll buy it for that. I'll just show you. Then let me have one. Then how much of pepper?
Exactly. You think it's not how much?
500. Jesus Christ. Like this 500 naira, you guys. Like, what the hell? Wow.
It's like 600.
Sorry, 600 actually, but we're going to pay for 500. This one don't give 500. This, then give us 250, don't worry. This is. Again, I think it's full.
At least it's full.
I don't know, that's my compensation right here. Colors are popping. Give me pepper 50 naira, crayfish 100 naira. And then give me pepper 100 naira. How much for the yellow one? Okay, so let me have the yellow one, one, and then this other one. But you have crayfish 100 naira, right? Okay. Around this. 200.
Which one?
Milk need to 300. Oh, wow. But I want soft one, Sha. You give me 2 of them. Anyone. As far as it's soft. I don't want to touch them because something in my hand. No, that black one, I don't like them. And I don't want it to dirty self. Or way too dirty. Sorry, way too black, sorry. Okay, that one works. 3 for the goose now, 1,050 naira. You're gonna give me for 1,000. Eh? I did buy 3 now, so if I buy 3, we need 1. I beg. I will not buy for more. Right? You guys, they said that this cup here is 400. What do you go? And then the grinded one is 350 for one of this cup. And I think I want to buy. Why don't you just buy this? Why don't you just buy the one that is not blended and then? Okay. Yeah, now let's just buy this one. We bought this one already, right? The Okra. Yeah, we bought it. That was bought from this woman. Yeah. Oh, wow. Boy, you go cut the head for me, I beg. So this one is actually 100 naira. I think it's actually affordable. I don't think I've ever bought too good for like less than 100 naira before. So yeah. Around 500 silicone, then around 1000. But like I want 500 naira separate. Yeah. Oh. Am I get cookie with that one? Hey, what? Kilo de? Wallahi okay, wallahi. Wallahi okay. See. Can you hear wallahi? Actually.
So you guys, this is everything we got. Our okra cost us 300 naira. The meat cost us 500 naira. Sorry, the meat looks like this. I kept inside the freezer and then brought it out to thaw in water. That's why it looks like that. Our crayfish cost us 50 naira. I bought 100 naira, but I divided it. Our bomo cost us 200. I also bought fish for 300 naira. The periwinkle, you guys heard the conversation, but let's just say this one cost us 100 naira because I divided it. Then the pepper cost us 50 naira, and then I had onion in the house. I also had palm oil in the house, so we're not going to calculate that. I mean, some people might have to do that, but we already had it in the house, so there was no point buying it or adding it to this calculation. So I'm going to start by cooking my meat. When you're cooking meat for soups, you want to be very minimal. Onion, salt, and seasoning cube does the job. You don't have to add curry. Sometimes you can add thyme, but I'd recommend you even use fresh thyme. But curry and every other thing, I think they are necessary for soups. So these are all our ingredients, all prepped and ready to go. In my pot, I am going to start by adding some palm oil. You guys, I love the color of this palm oil and it's actually very, very rich. I'm just going to let that heat up for a bit before adding my chopped onions. I know some people don't like adding onion to their okra soup because they think that it's not going to make it slimy or anything like that. That has never happened to me, and I like onion, so I'm going to use onion. I'm also going to add my scotch bonnet peppers. Again, I've just blended this roughly. You can also add water if you want to. I'm going to season with some salt and some beef seasoning. You guys, when you're also cooking your soups, you want to be very careful so you're not over seasoning it or anything like that. I'll just stir that, and then I'm going to add my meat, my fish, my momo. I'm also going to add my periwinkles, and then I'll give this a quick stir. You don't want to do too much. There's nothing to gang about it, plus we are on a budget here. That is why we are managing things. So for this particular okra soup, I did not want a lot of water. I was minimizing water. I did not want a lot of water, and that's because of the person that was going to eat it with me. He doesn't like a lot of water in his okra soup. Like, he likes his okra soup very thick. But if you like more water, please by all means add that. Now I'm just going to go in with my okra. Now for this okra, all I just did was put this in my food processor and like let my food processor do its work. Ideally, I also like to chop it with my hand and just have like big chunks here and there, but I did not bother to do that in this particular video. You can also do that if you want. I'm just going to add a bit of water, and then I'm just going to stir that and combine thoroughly. Yes, I am covering my okra soup. Again, it has never happened to me. Some people think when you cover your okra soup, it's not going to be slimy. It has never happened to me, so I always cover my okra soup. Now I'm just going to add my crown crayfish. I'm also going to add my vegetable. You guys can see the amount of vegetable that we are adding here, so we're not even going to calculate that, and all I'm just going to do now is stir this and combine thoroughly, and our okra soup is ready. So you guys, our okra soup actually cost us exactly 1,500 naira. I don't know how we did that, but we did pull it off, and this okra soup banged. So if you guys want to see more videos like this, if you like this video, do not forget to click the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to leave a comment letting me know if you want to see more videos like this. See you guys in my next video. Bye guys.